Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishka Hitech Nursery. We are a team of passionate horticulturists who love to grow and nurture plants. We specialize in providing high-quality plants and saplings to our customers with a focus on sustainability and eco-friendliness. In this video, we will introduce you to our nursery and the products and services we offer. Our nursery offers a wide range of plants and saplings, from fruit trees and flowering plants to herbs and vegetables. We specialize in rare and exotic species that are hard to find in regular nurseries. Our team members are experienced and knowledgeable, with a passion for plants and gardening. They are always ready to provide guidance and advice on the care and maintenance of our products. In addition to our plants, we also offer a range of gardening tools and accessories, including pots, soil, and fertilizers. We believe that gardening is not just a hobby but a way of life, and we want to provide our customers with everything they need to create their own green oasis. Thank you for watching this video and learning more about Kanishka Hitech Nursery. We hope you will visit us soon and experience the beauty and serenity of our nursery.